Sonel Kumba. Is this not crazy? This is a company that is very poor in the way it treats customers. Look at people struggling to go in to give money. Yes, just see. Look at the gate. Just imagine what struggle is out here to go and pay the bill. In a company that itself is not offering any good service, but people are still struggling to go and give the money. This is our Cameroon. Yes, so Patrick Siane is just wondering about this type of society, where the company that is almost not offering you light also conditions you to come and be struggling to give the money. Yes, this is wonders in our sky, under our skies. Cameroon na Cameroon. Yes, they say Bakassi na Cameroon, but I say Cameroon to na Cameroon. Yes, Cameroon is really Cameroon. Go me the camera so. Must I fear? All I'm used for because me and the fear me, yeah. There is fear, but me and the fear because this Cameroon go change up. Yes, look at it, ladies and gentlemen. Regardez, dans un pays où tu fais n'importe quoi chaque jour presque, tu n'as pas d'électricité chez toi. Mais regarde comment on bouscule à la porte pour entrer et payer et donner à Sonel beaucoup plus d'argent. Yes, while you are struggling to be able to have a light, when you have it, you say it is locked. Yes, there are weeks, sometimes even you hardly get it for 2 days. But then, see Cameroonians struggling to give Sonel more money. Yes, they have just increased the price. Oh, yes, the unit price has gone up, but people are still struggling. And the guys don't care. They make their money and they are happy. Look at it. Yes, a nice building in Kumba. They are there making the money, but then you just struggle to come and give them the money. Yes, and we want change in the country where people don't want to defend their rights. Where is the customer service here? And where is the consumer rights? And the consumer, are they aware they have rights? And if they are aware, what are they doing about their awareness? Nothing. We're struggling. Yes, hitting at each other. Here in this case scenario, their worst enemy is not the Sonelo, it's themselves. You see, it's the peaks of the situation in Cameroon. You see now, when you are put in a depressed condition, your worst enemy here is not the Sonel who is your enemy. It is you fighting among each other to have a place under the sky. This is Patrick Siane talking from his homeland, bitter about Sonel activities in Cameroon. Have a wonderful day, if you can have a wonderful day at all in this damn republic where the consumer has no right. Cameroonian in his own country looks like a big peasant, big refugee in his own country. Yes, where companies come from nowhere, they come and buy your companies, your state companies, and run them like trash. Yes, the African has no space and no place in this type of a context where they come from nowhere and buy your state company and run them like it's their father's property, and consumers have no rights. Yes, sir. This is Patrick Siane, LVP chairman, talking from his very Kumba, afraid of nobody. Yes, they say it's IS Sonel. Yes, you can see how Cameroonians are suffering in their own land. See them there, piled up to go and pay bills in the company that does nothing to foster their own interests. Regardez, vous allez dire que Patrick Siane appelle à la guerre, appelle à la haine. Mais est-ce que le vrai problème c'est Patrick Siane? Non, c'est cette société qui vient chez vous, vous prendre, dire que bon, ils vont donner meilleurs services. Ils se disent parastatals. Donc ils se disent sociétés privatisées. Et ils vont vous donner les meilleurs services. Regardez comment les Camerounais se bousculent pour leur donner de l'argent. Et pour un service qu'ils n'ont presque pas. Et dans une ville où on a quand même un lac Barombe qui peut fournir l'électricité, une ville qui produit. Ça c'est la meilleure de ville du sud-ouest du Cameroun. La plus grande, plus commerciale, mais presque jamais l'électricité. Et voilà que les gens se bousculent à la porte de Sonel pour donner l'argent. Des fois je me demande, est-ce que les Camerounais connaissent ce que c'est leurs droits, human rights? Do they know their rights? Because if they know their rights, they'll be coming here not to pay the bills, but to protest. Because the services are not there. Am I lying, sir?
You are not lying.
Yes, are there services? Why is Sonel see them at the gate there, struggling to pay money for services don't consume? How do you explain that?
We even suggest for them to open about two or three branches in Kumba so that there will not be much congestion. But still yet, nothing has been done for that.
And then
I've left my workplaces. I've come here to pay bill. Only congestion, I cannot pay, so I have to go back.
And for services, you don't even very much consume.
That's the problem. And very soon they'll come and give you penalty to pay, in which you don't have the means to pay because of congestion. So we are very, I don't know, it's a sad situation.
Very desperate, right?
Fact.
You see, that's the point. Yes, sir. Are you here to pay a bill, sir, for Sonel?
No.
You are not. You're just watching the scene.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you see a thing like this, when people are struggling to pay for services they hardly consume, what do you feel?
I feel very bad.
Uh-huh.
Because at least they would have opened at least 2 stations
Yes.
just to welcome, because there are too much people, and Kumba is a big town.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Kumba has a lot of population. So
Uh-huh.
so they should try to improve their
services.
Their services. Yeah.
Yes. Not only in paying and receiving the bills, but even in providing light.
Of course. Yeah.
How you are in a town with a Barombi Lake, which could provide us electricity every day, but we go and take this national thing that doesn't work. How do you feel?
I feel very bad. It's very bad. It's a big surprise, a shame for this nation.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
I not talk, but very good. Bye bye. I not talk. That's good. Have a nice day, sir. Bye bye. Yes.